popular Nigerian TikToker Habib Hamzat, popularly known as Peller, has revealed the secret to his success on TikTok. Peller, in an interview with N10 on the Honest Bunch podcast, revealed that if one wants to make it on TikTok, one must have to act like a dull person. He noted how he started his TikTok with good English and got low views, but when he started going live with his bad English, he started getting more than 2,000 views. Peller disclosed that the biggest money he has ever made on TikTok was 10 million naira in one night. He noted that contrary to reports that he made $200,000 from the live he did with singer Davido, he said he only made 1.5 million naira. I started my TikTok with good English, but I used to get 10 views, and 5 of them were my family members. When I started going live with my bad English, I started getting more than 2k views. If you want to make it on TikTok, you have to act like a dull person, Peller said. Recall that Peller had sent a message to Davido following his engagement to his girlfriend, Jarvis. The TikToker had announced that he had proposed to his girlfriend, Jarvis, as he shared a video of his proposal. Peller expressed how excited he was to walk down the aisle with his woman, as he announced that their wedding will be held in 2025. Following his engagement, Peller took to Davido's Instagram comment section to inform him of his proposal. Refreshing your memory, Tiwa Savage struck a friendship with the popular TikToker after she appeared on his TikTok live with his lover, Jadrolita. Unbothered by the backlash that came along with the interview, Tiwa flew the popular TikToker on a private jet with her son, Jamal Balogun, and her ex-husband, Bliss. Peller couldn't contain his joy, expressed gratitude to the Afrobeat singer for her grand gesture. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.